I just want to let you know about this checklist that we have. We give this out to everyone that we meet with about buying a house. So it's a checklist for buying a home, and it's got several things on here. And I want to kind of point out a few things about the buying process. So buying a home is a process. It's not an event. It takes time to buy a house. And the very first thing that you should start working on is, if you haven't done so already, is start to pay down some of those credit balances. You want to pay them down below 50%, ideally down to 30%. So if you have a credit limit of $1,000, you want to pay that thing down to $300, and what that's going to do is going to boost your FICO scores really high, and that's going to drive down your interest rate, and your payments are going to be lower as well. So I wanted to point out that because I get the question all the time, what do we do with the credit? I've got credit, or if you don't have any credit. If you don't have any credit, then that's a good thing. You want to just keep it that way. There's times where no credit's better than credit. So if you don't have any credit, the first thing you want to do is just talk to me, and I'll walk you through the process, because there's some things that you should do and you shouldn't do, and I want to make sure and guide you on the right thing to do. So if you have one of these checklists, you should go through that and just take a look at it and go through it, and just use it as a checklist, about buying a house. So the first thing you start looking at is that your credit and getting those FICO scores up. Buying a house is a process. So if you're starting right now, or if you already started, just start working on that, and that way your scores are going to start shooting through the roof by paying down that credit, and that will boost your credit score. So if you have any questions with that, or if you ever want to pick my brains about real estate, feel free to give us a call anytime at the office. That's what I'm here for. My phone number is toll free, 888-308-4947.